Hey guys, my name is Josh Smith. I'm the CEO of Montana Knife Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use this new sharpening system called the HORL Sharpening System. And I have two sharpening systems here to show you, both by HORL. One is the Classic and one is the Pro. The Pro moves at about 3 times faster than the Classic, and it also has 6 angle positions versus 2 on the Classic. It doesn't really matter to me which one that you get. If you're more of a gadget guy or you want some more optionality with a lot of angles, the Pro is the one for you. The Pro will also move steel off of your edge a little bit faster than the Classic, just because of the gearing system that's in it. That being said, do not be afraid to buy this Classic. It's got a 20-degree angle and a 15-degree angle on here. That's really all that you really should need for a Montana Knife Company knife. But if you like that optionality, the Pro is for you. Also, I'm gonna show you this premium set that you can buy in addition to either one of these sharpeners, which just gives you a 3000 grit ceramic as well as a 6000 grit for those of you that really want to get a crazy fine polish on like a chef's knife or something like that. So let's get to the process of how we actually use this system. All right guys, so let's take a look and see how we actually use this system. So with the Pro, we have 6 different angles. And with the Classic, we've got the 20 and the 15 degree. I'm gonna start on the 15 degree side and just let the magnet suck right to the blade. So that is at the perfect angle as it sits. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this diamond, this rougher diamond side here. It's a little bit coarser. And I'm gonna just move back and forth along that edge. You don't need a lot of pressure. If you are pushing so hard that that knife's trying to pop off of the magnet, you're doing it wrong. All right, so we're just gonna start traveling back and forth. If we need to work in one little spot, we can. All right, so all we're trying to do here is just make some progress with this really coarse stone. It's gonna sound kind of nasty, but we're just grinding away and we're trying to get an edge reset. If you guys need to run a Sharpie along this edge, a black Sharpie on the edge, that might help you actually see how your angle is coming and if you need to do some more work. If the Sharpie's not gone, you know you still need to do a little bit of sharpening away with that stone. Okay, so we have been working on this edge with this premium sharpener, or the Pro sharpener here. We can also do the same thing with this Classic as well. So just so you guys see, it's the same thing, Classic or Pro. Okay, so now that we've done one side, we're just gonna turn this around and move to the other side. Super easy, and here we are. Again, not a lot of pressure, and we're right back to work. All right, so once you guys start getting to the place where you think you're ready to start reducing down in grit, you can just kind of feel to see if you've got a burr going on the other side from where you've been sharpening. Once you have that burr, you can actually change to a different grit, okay? But with this, what's beautiful about that is you don't even need to change on this one. You can just turn it around and use this honing side with the ceramic. This is just a lot finer on this side. And this starts to get rid of that burr. Make some big long strokes. And then again, we can change sides. Just be careful not to cut yourself. And go back to this side. All right, so now that I'm done with this ceramic side, I'm gonna pop on this blue one, and this is from the Premium Set. This has these two different really fine ceramics, as well as the strop. So I'm gonna just hit this fine ceramic on a few passes here. Okay, so now that I am done with the ceramics, I'm just gonna take and do a little bit of stropping on this strop here to get rid of that burr that I've got just a little bit. So a few passes there, a few passes back on this side as well. I'll just alternate a few. Now, like I said on the video earlier, I actually prefer our leather strop over this little strop that comes with this set. But if this is all you have, it'll work just fine. Yeah, that's sharp as hell. Yeah, so. It's very, very sharp. Actually, look at that. I just made myself bleed. Yeah, there's the chunk of skin. If that doesn't sell the sharpening system, I'm not sure what will, but that is sharp as heck. All right, guys, so that's how you use the HORL Sharpening System. I was just showing how this blade shaved on my arm, and I actually cut myself. It is very, very sharp. And I went through kind of the whole system here, from the rougher diamond stones all the way through to these really fine ceramics, finishing with this white one at about 6,000 grit. So if you want to make a chef's knife in your kitchen extremely sharp, that's what I would suggest doing. If you want to use this on your hunting knives, I would probably stop at this ceramic right here at that 1,000 grit and strop. That'll give you a little bit more of a working edge. But this is a great system, guys. I think you're gonna love it. It's the HORL Sharpening System, German engineering at its finest. Go on and get one.